this video, I'll be showing you how to fix ASUS Vivobook mouse not working. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a non-responsive mouse on an ASUS Vivobook is usually caused by an accidental function key lockout or a driver conflict with the new HID polling updates. So there's easy hot fixes. ASUS Vivobooks have a specific function key design to disable the touchpad for gamers and typists. You likely tapped it by accident. So what you want to do is look at your F6 or F10 key. One of them should have an icon that looks like a touchpad with a line through it. So press F6 or FN+6, and a small icon should appear on the center of your screen saying touchpad enabled. Now, sometimes Windows also unregisters the touchpad after a system sleep cycle. So press the Windows key and type in touchpad settings, and then you're going to see turn the touchpad icon on or off. And then over here, you're going to be able to disable it as well, and then just re-enable it. Now, what you can also do is a driver reset. So right click the start button and then go over to device manager. Now, once you're in device manager, expand human interface devices. So we're going to go over to that right now. Then you're going to see all of your different things. Look for I2C HID device or ASUS Precision Touchpad. Once you do that, right click it and then uninstall the device and then restart your laptop. It's going to detect the missing hardware and reinstall it for you. Then you should be working fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.